Welcome to today's presentation and review of 3 unique Unimatic watches.
Unimatic Quattro, which was designed in collaboration with the Swedish architect team Claesson Koivisto Rune. This watch is a celebration for opening a flagship shop in 2023 in Milano, Italy. And the shop as well, it was also designed by this trio architects. And it's 3 watches in steel, bronze and gold. So we will present and review these 3 watches. So there are 5 categories that we are scoring and reviewing. It's design, movement, wearability, price and value, and X factor.
So let's begin.
I have here a solid gold watch, which is very cool because it's a chunky bit of gold.
And this is yellow gold.
And the surface of the case is totally, completely brushed, as all Unimatic watches. And if we look at the steel case, it looks more familiar. The case size is
around 40 millimeters.
And it's a regular Modello Quattro case that is used here, with the oversized crown, which is screwed down, and the water resistance is 300 meters as well. So it's a kind of chunky, big watch. The strap that we get, it's called keen red color, and all of these watches have only this option. If we talk about dial, it's also brushed, but it's not a sun ray brushing. It's only like circular brushed. Hours and minutes hands are skeleton, and they are also in the same color as the watch itself. The only that stands out is a second hand, which is the same red color maybe as a king red bracelet, a king red strap. And you have this discreet Unimatic logo. Here the minimalistic design of Made in Italy meets the Scandinavian and particularly Swedish design, which is also very minimalistic. So this watch gets as minimalistic as it could be. It's a closed case back, which is in stainless steel and with engravement. The bronze one, we have a steel, and on the steel case as well, but on the gold,
it's totally gold. So I think in general, I mean, it's a good clash of design elements when we look at the strap and the minimalistic case. And it fits pretty good, I think. It's a watch that it has no date window. It has, in a good way, lack of many things.
Yes.
I must give this an 8.
I really like the design. It's very different. You either like it or you dislike it. But and I give 7. The movement that Unimatic uses in this particular watch is Sellita SW200-1, which is a very, very common movement to use in the watch industry. So it's a robust movement.
This movement has 38 hours of power reserve.
And the accuracy is plus minus 7 to 20 seconds per day, which is a bit better than a standard modification. So it was adjusted in several positions. This watch is all about design and not about the technical specifications. But it's good to know that it would be easy to service it when it's time for it, because it's a very common caliber.
I will give this a 4.
Same with me. Yeah, it's nothing special with the movement, so it's nothing special to score. 4 for me as well.
So I don't mind the size of it. I think it's pretty nice.
And here it can be a little bit difficult to score because we have 3 different materials. It's different different feeling of the watch with different materials. When I look at the bronze one, it started to oxidize. So I'm not sure how it will look.
It looks nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At this stage of oxidation, it looks nice.
Yeah.
But it can be darker. And the gold one, it really attracts attention. And for me, because of the color, they look different.
I would say, of course, the steel one is most low key, and then maybe the bronze watch, even though that has, it's pretty unique in its. It can get one glance or two.
It's not a watch for everyone. So if I take into consideration that I also compare with other watches existing, I will give 6.
I would say if you go with the steel model, you can wear it as one and only watch. You have 300 meters of water resistance, and in the beginning you can choose which color you want. So I will give this an 8 because I think it's a really wearable watch.
We know only indication about the price for the golden watch, and it's above 10,000 euro without VAT. So it's at least 12.5. So it's,
And if we guess with the other watches so we can score it, I would say maybe at least 1,500 for them. Maybe.
I think a little bit more. I think it would be 2,000 euro.
All right. So I think the gold watch, it's a gold watch. So gold watches cost more. So that maybe put aside a bit, even though we can have that in mind.
Yes.
For the other two, over $2,000, if that's the case, I will give this 7. Because I like the design as much. So in a package, I think it has a high value.
Yes, because of its limited edition, and the golden watch will be limited only to 10, the bronze to 50, and steel to 99.
Oh.
And because it's really limited and it's really special, I think that it will, if you think about it in terms of return on investment and value of owning it, I also will give 7. So I have a biased feeling, because when I looked at it first, I was like, oh wow, it's really different watch. It's, even though it's Unimatic, it's too minimalistic. And I thought that maybe they will need to make some polishing to make this watch more sophisticated.
I remember you said that.
Yes, but then I thought about it and I thought, okay, it's not, it's Italian watch with Swedish design.
Yeah.
It's not Swiss made. You do not need to expect Swiss made design of it.
No, of course not.
You need to take it as it is.
Yeah.
And as minimalistic as it can be, a really charming watch. So the X factor for me is really high.
Okay.
And I give it 8.
Yeah, I feel the same way, and I give it an 8.
So the score we gave to this model, to these 3 watches, is 67. It's really high.
It's the highest at this point.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this because of the special design. It's because it's really very, very different watch. At the same time, you can wear it every day.
Yeah, if you want.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this content, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Next time we will see what we will have in store for you. If you have suggestions, please write in the comments which watches you want us to either review or have a duel between them.
Yes, thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.